47 for 8. And another one bites the dust. This time it's Lalit Rajbanshi who walks out to the middle. Shri, if we dialed that number on the batting card, I wonder who we would reach. 04570410.
It looks like a Nepal code. Maybe you'll reach Pokhara or Lumbini.
Full face of the bat and defended.
I mean, I think Joshua Trump has to take all the strike if possible. He's the only one that can get any close to the target. Rajbanshi look good. Couple of balls that he's faced. 47 for 8.
सुजल डेयरीको उत्कृष्ट उत्पादन डिलाइट डेयरी व्हाइटनरले अब हरेक दिन डिलाइटफुल
तपाईको असली एनर्जी रेड बुल असली नै रोजौं
Allowed this to slip out of hands whatsoever, the Royals. Big shout, and the finger goes up. Harmeet Singh picks up his second, and we get yet another wicket closer for the Royals to come out on top of this contest. Look at them, they're having a fantastic time.
Yeah, that's probably the final nail in the coffin. Joshua Trump can't do much about that. That kept low, skidded on. Probably could have played forward if I have to be critical, but that's literally unplayable. And he knew as soon as the ball hit his pad, he started walking. Harmeet Singh is terrific, but Joshua Trump, feel for him. 13 of 13, young man, well tried. 47 for 9, and it's just the formalities that are to be completed.
Fresh, freshness that bonds.
Legends rise through greatness and lead with their actions. From a timeless legacy to inspiring a nation, legends choose the ball. Drive like a legend, drive the ball.
Himstar for a complete home.
Pond Super Light Gel with hyaluronic acid. 200% instant hydration. Miracles happen.
At the moment, she's waiting for final rights to be done. Harmeet Singh, can he finish it off in this over?
Not yet, not yet. Kishore survives.
Get more close in fielders, get a silly point in, get a short leg in. 2 for 2, Harmeet Singh.
Tossed up, left alone. It's the Amoda car, our official automotive partner, the fastest growing brand in the world. Correction, Blade battery technology, very futuristic. Ooh, that's a ripper. Just missing the outside edge.
How do you play that? I love the color, must say. It's a beautiful car. We had the fortune of riding in one of it, but it was unbelievably comfortable. I love the touch screen.
Needs to get a bit closer, Harmeet, if he wants to finish this for his side. At least they're smiling out in the middle.
Just can't put bat on ball here. Terrific bowling from Harmeet.
How is that? The question's asked. The finger stays down, and that's going to be the halfway point. 10 gone. The bowls 47 for 9.
Legends rise through greatness and lead with their actions. From a timeless legacy to inspiring a nation, legends choose the ball. Drive like a legend. Drive the ball.
Watch NPL on the go on Ncell app. Unlimited YouTube and other NPL packs. Download Ncell app now or dial *123*9#.
Coffee, are they going to get a bat on this?
Well, almost unplayable, isn't it? Bit of spin, no seamer in sight. Spin, spin, and more spin.
Fancy a ride on that. The ultraviolet. Industry-leading range of 323 kilometres. On the off day, we're on the back of that.
Well, I'm a motorbiker myself, so I love a Ducati here and there.
That's gone fine. Did you bring the leathers?
I didn't bring the levers. I wasn't expecting it to be this cold, but it's a lovely bike. I wouldn't mind a spin on it while we're here, but watch this here. Much needed runs for the bolts, and it comes where it's a full toss, little bottom edge, fine, runs away for the boundary. It seems the only way they're going to get a run is through a poor delivery, because it's turning, the odd one's bouncing and turning, and the odd one's going straight on with the arm and keeping low. Good luck.
I'm just a little bit concerned that this might be the end of Scott Kugelheim in the Royal setup. If these surfaces continue to turn, will seem be needed.
I think they're going to have to find a way, aren't they, the teams, where they've got to attack. If left-hander comes in against a left-arm spinner with a shorter boundary, you've got to attack it. You've got to almost use the old-fashioned pinch hitter. Come in and just tee off.
Well, that's the end of another one. 11 gone, 51 for 9.
Pond Super Light Gel with hyaluronic acid. 200% instant hydration. Miracles happen.
म त पैसा लिन्छु आइमी पेमा चाहियो के र खर्च गर्न सजिलो कार्डबाटै किन्छु म लिन्छु म ब्याज पनि पाइन्छ हो विदेशबाट आको रकम वेलकम टु आइमी पे वालेट आइमी पे भए चाहियो के छ सबै सेट
1,000 that are in attendance here are probably split down the middle as far as who they support goes.
Well, we've got yellow to our right, and to our left we've got the lovely pink. And the yellow are on top. In fact, Hamid, he must love He's gone from Guyana, playing in the GSL, to pitches exactly the same as this, and now he's come to Nepal, and he's playing on an absolute Bunsen. Unplayable. I mean, how do you play that? Come on, you're the batter, HD. I know what I'd do. Slog sweep. Only shot in the book.
You do understand that this was the end of my test career, was spin. 2 slips in a T20 game. But finding the outside edge is proving tricky here with the amount of turn that is on offer for Harmeet.
But it's the difference, isn't it? It's the odd one turning and bouncing, then the one that goes straight on with the arm and keeps a little bit low is the one that gets the wickets.
Well, that's it, isn't it? You leave that alone thinking it'll miss off stump, and it goes straight on and just clatters into your shin bone. Because we've seen a few LBWs. Final delivery of the Harmeet spell. There'll be no interest from the man in red. That'll conclude the spell, and what a spell it's been. Wait for it. 2 for 2 in 4. 51 for 9.
I dare to overcome every hurdle and shine like a beacon. Presidential Graduate School, where every step leads to a new adventure.
Tapayko, Asli Energy, Red Bull, Asli Nerozone.
Legends rise through greatness and lead with their actions. From a timeless legacy to inspiring a nation, legends choose the ball. Drive like a legend. Drive the ball.
शिक्षा र खेलकुदका माध्यमले विश्व मानचित्रमा चिनिँदैछ। मेरो सिटी अफ क्रिकेट धनगढी अनि यो सहर चिनाउने अगुवाई गर्ने मेरो कलेज, मेरो एसपीए कलेज, मेरो गौरव।
Neoco solar water heaters, water purifiers, chimneys, the gas hobs your way of quality living.
Bowling at the last 2 batters, 10 and 11. You'd back yourself, wouldn't you, as a seamer? I know it's turning, but as a seamer coming into the attack, bit of pace, you'd fancy yourself to knock one of these over.
What are you doing here? Length or with a Yorker?
Bouncer. No, you're kidding. I would go for just that length ball. It's stopping in the pitch a little bit. Like I say, it's very, very dry. Started off frosty and damp this morning, but now it's dry.
Looks for the Yorker, gets the wicket. It only takes one delivery for Scott Kugelheim, and the Royals have done the unthinkable. They have defended 123, and they've won by an enormous margin.
Amazing performance from the Royals. It looked like there was going to be short at the halfway stage, but the Bolts, a bit of a collapse. A nothing delivery, a nothing shot, and a simple catch at mid-wicket. Straight into the middle of those hands. An unbelievable victory for the Royals.